Hi, in this video I'll show you how to activate the promo code MAGICWIN and get exclusive benefits. Go to the website, click Register, fill in the required details, then click on the code button, enter MAGICWIN in the promo code field and click Play. Good luck!